Huh? Yellow rabbit! Let's play! Oh! Aw! Whoa! Whoa! Yellow key! Huh? Huh? Ah! Open, open, open! Huh? Huh? Ah! Yellow chicken! Whoa! More! Huh? Black egg! What? Are you afraid? Black rabbit! Let's play! Huh? Mwahahaha! Huh? Black pea! Ha! Ha! Open, open, open! Whoa! Black sheep! Huh? Huh? Oh, more! Huh? Huh? Pink egg! Huh? 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 Pink rabbit! Let's play! Huh? 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 Open, open, open! Huh? Wow! Pink hen! Yellow chicken! Black sheep! Pink hen! Yay!
The Cuquin app is entertaining and perfect for any place, even during trips or in offline areas. Download it on the App Store.
No plants? Panda bag! Yay, Rocky! Whoa, magical water! Carrots! No ghost. One? Two? And three! Oh! One and two! Uh-oh! Ah. More, more. Bigger. Oh. Tomatoes. Huh? No ghost. One. Ha. Two. Ha. And three. Ha. One and two. Oh. Aha. More, more. Aha. Bigger. Oh. Apples. Oh. Come on, Rocky. One. Ha. Two. Ah. And three. Ha. One, two. Ha. And three.